Okay, here we are, January 11th, feeding the birds in the morning. Here it comes, oh boy. You find that the nuthatches are very aggressive. No other birds will come down. That's a chestnut-backed chickadee right there. There's another chestnut-backed. Another chestnut-backed. Beautiful bird. Boy, there's a lot of chestnuts today. There's another one. We have three kinds. Chestnut-backed, black cap right there. Black cap chickadee, chestnut, and mountain chickadee. Oh, that's beautiful. When the nuthatches come in, boy, they all scatter though. There's a black cap. They notice something's a little different today with this camera. They're kind of looking it over. Well, he knocked a lot of seeds down. They'll be all over the ground now. There's a nuthatch. Didn't take one. Nuthatches are pretty skittish. But we have the white-breasted and the red-breasted nuthatch. The white-breast, I've never had one come in. The red-breast will. Okay, that's going to be about it for today. Oh boy, he's a beauty there. Oh, there's that nuthatch. He just made a quick in and out. We'll do some more later.